Hello guys, this is Alyona from BusinkaMania and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to sew bralette bra.
Download and outline the pattern, link in the description below. You will need to outline this on your fabric with the piece of chalk. Don't forget to put all marks you see here. And you will need 2 cups of the middle cup in the mirror effect and 2 cups the same of the side cup. Also you will need 2 pieces of this back element, the same mirror effect. After, grab your scissor and cut everything out.
Small notice for the size. When you're going to select the size, if you want your bralette to be more closer, then select one size more up. But if you want your bralette to be kind of in the bikini style and to be more open, then you need to go for one size more smaller. Because around we're gonna have adjustable straps and you always can make this bralette matching you around.
This is all our elements. As you see here, we have our back element in the mirror effect, and also we have here our middle cup. And as you see here, I put small mark for me to remember and do not get lost. So don't forget to do it the same way. And we have our side cup. So this is our middle. And now I'm gonna show you our side cup. This is one, the same. You see, it's mirror. That's what you're supposed to have. Now we will need to put all these elements you have face to face on top of each other, as you see me doing here. As well, doing with the cups, and remember about the marks. They should match each other. Let's do the same with another cup. And now you need to go to the overlock or sewing machine, and all these elements you need to sew exactly right here. All of them. This is what we have so far. As you see here, all our marks matching each other. This is our middle cup. Now open all these elements exactly this way. And take the cup, and you see the seam here. You need to push it in this direction. On this cup, you need to put this on opposite direction. In the back, it doesn't really matter the way it's comfortable for you. After, you go to your sewing machine and pass here with the elastic stitch up to the end on all of them. We're gonna use a white zigzag. Find this on your sewing machine. For me, it's number 6. So I'm gonna put number 6 here. Okay, done. Tension supposed to be on the number 3. Wideness of your zigzag supposed to be on the number 6, and length supposed to be on the number 2. It should look this way, all your elements, and this how it looks from the opposite side. Now you need to grab the elastic and put this elastic everywhere in the border of your lace, on all of the elements. And on top, as you see here, here, and here, you will need to have free space of elastic. Place the elastic on top of the cup and put this under the foot of your sewing machine and start to sew. You need to stretch a little bit the elastic this way. Don't stretch the fabric, stretch only the elastic. Our first elastic should look this way, as you see here. Now just cut leftover of the threads, exactly this way. And second elastic I will start to attach from the bottom of the cup. So I take the elastic and I place it exactly in this place. Sew the same way like you did before. When you are coming more closer to this elastic, first one, you need to cover this place with this elastic which is going on top. After, you need to put your needle down, make your cup straight and finish this place to sew exactly this way like I'm gonna do now. When you finish to sew, you need to cut all this thread, and this is what you will have. You see our first elastic under the second one. Now you need to cut the elastic and keep free space of it for our rings. That's what you should have. You need to do exactly the same with all elements, cup and the back element as well. Now we need to attach the fold over elastic. It's very easy to do. I'm gonna show you now. So you take the elastic and you place in the middle your fabric, exactly this way. After you fold the elastic and you sew here everywhere, exactly in this place, up to the end with the white zigzag. Everywhere in the beginning and the end you need to have free space of the elastic to attach our rings. So you do it here, here and in the back element. You fold the elastic and you put this under the foot and you start to sew. Sew around 2-3 centimeters. After, take the cup and put this in the middle of the elastic, here. When you sew, don't stretch the fabric, stretch only the elastic. For this we will need 2 elastic of 45 centimeters for our straps and 2 small one 18 centimeters for the size M, but I'll advise you to measure yourself before. We will need 6 rings of 10 millimeters and 1 ring of 12 millimeters. As you see here, this one is more smaller, this one is more bigger. Also, we will need 1 lock like this for the front, and we will need to have 4 sliders for each of our straps. So basically all these sliders go into each of the straps, lock it's for our cups, and here you see we will need for these straps only 1 ring, because we have this triangle here as you see, and these 2 straps will be attached here exactly. So you will need 1. And also for each side you will need to have 1 ring, and here as well. To make this strap, watch our episode number 7. This should look this way. We have our big strap with 1 ring and small. Now we need to take our triangle, back of our bra, and put this elastic in the middle of the big ring. Exactly this way, and attach this place here with the needle. Our small straps will go on the side here, so you place them inside, and exactly this way you lock everything with the needles. Now you need to take the cups and make sure so our middle cup in this place here, and grab the lock and put this lock in the middle. as you see me doing here. Attach these straps on the side exactly the same way to this place. These straps on top will go exactly on our cups, this way. And now we need to go to the sewing machine and sew all these places where we have our needles as well as in the back with the sewing machine. We will need to use zigzag stitch. On my sewing machine it's number 3. Tension supposed to be on the number 3. Wideness supposed to be on the number 2.5. And length supposed to be on 1.5. Make sure when you start to sew that there is no any metal object under your needle. When you come to the end, press reverse button and sew it back. Technically our bra is almost ready, all we just need to remove all these leftovers. It's pretty simple to do, you just grab your scissor, cut this out and burn a little bit with the lighter. I'll advise you to cover these places with the bows. How to make these little guys you can find in our tutorial number 2. So you just take them and sew on our bra exactly this place. Bralette is ready and this is how it looks. So this from our back, you have all this elastic in our border, but if you want more softer version, kind of pyjama style, then you can sew it without the elastic in the border like you see here. It will be more softer.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question, just leave your comment down below, and also you can share what underwear you like, what style. I will be more than happy to read your comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet.